Aloha, Rich Halverson here. This is ICS321, and we are working on the second assignment. And in this video, I'd like to get you started on the last question, question 5. So that would be this question here, and it's a question I made up a few semesters ago. It's been enhanced. Okay, so the scenario is this. You have this database. It's called the Campus Cuisine Database, and it stores the restaurant voted the single best in its cuisine category by each campus. Okay, so this is all made up data, but so let's say that we have these campuses here: UH West Oahu, and KCC. And there's these different cuisines here. There's a burgers cuisine, a Nepalese cuisine, a sandwiches cuisine, seafood cuisine, and so on. I mean, some are missing from some places, but whatever. And these are the places. Okay, so now the thing is that a campus can only have one ranked favorite for each cuisine. And a place can only be of one type of cuisine. So in other words, Himalayan Kitchen is a Nepalese place. It can't be any other kind of place, okay? And for example, you're either a sandwiches place or a burgers place, but you're not both. And KCC can only have one best sandwiches place. Manoa can only have one best sandwiches place, and so on. Okay, so those are the two rules. And so what you want to do is and so you have to import this table into this database here, into this database that you're going to create. And you're going to name the table original, set the field sizes and types, and so on, primary key. And then you're going to decompose it into a better joined, a better normal form. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Definitely campus and cuisine, those two fields would definitely be able to serve as the primary key. Okay, so because you can only have one burger place at UHM, you can only have one cuisine type at one campus. So there's never going to be a case, or the database itself can prohibit any new record from being entered where there's already that cuisine at that campus. You see, so these two, campus and cuisine, can be the primary key. But the thing is you could still, we have, for example, here at KCC, the best Nepalese place is Himalayan Kitchen, and also at UHM, the best Nepalese place, the closest best Nepalese place, is Himalayan Kitchen. So it's possible that a place gets put in there twice. Okay. What about if we try to put in what if we try to put in, let's see, UH West Oahu does not have a burgers place. So what would happen if we tried to put in some place that's already in here, like I'm just making this up. Andy's Manoa. I'm just going to make this up. Let's say you try to put Andy's Manoa as a burger place. There's nothing about this database here that would prevent that from happening. Why? Because there is no burger place for West Oahu, and there's nothing wrong with Annie's Manoa being in there twice, so, but there's nothing to keep from Annie's Manoa, nothing about this database that keeps Annie's from Manoa from going in there as two different types of places. And that's not allowed. You see, that's not allowed by here. A place can only be one type of cuisine. Okay, so this is in third normal form. This is in 3NF, but it's not in BCNF. Why? Because because the cuisine depends on the place. The place determines the cuisine. Place is a non-key attribute, and cuisine is a key attribute. It's a partial key attribute. It's part of the primary key. Primary key is campus plus cuisine, and place determines cuisine. So we have part of the primary key dependent on a non-key attribute. Okay, so that means it cannot be in BCNF because it cannot have any. All of the dependencies have to be the whole key determining each non-key attribute. And so how would we reduce this to a BCNF? Well, we can have one. We can well, let's try it. Let's do it. Let's see. So I'm going to go to my cPanel and create a new database. And I'm going to call it ASMT2Q5. And I'm going to go back and go to phpMyAdmin. And here it is. And there's nothing there. So I'm going to go back to the question here, and I'm going to copy this. Copy. And I'm going to paste it in a blank spreadsheet. And then I'm going to copy it back out again and paste that into a blank text editor. And I'm going to save that as q5.csv. All right, so now on my desktop, I've got the q5.csv, and I can go to my database here and import it. Just click Browse and select it. It's a tab delimited, but we still say .csv, but we change column separated with to \t for tab, and we say the first line of the file contains the table column names. Go. Close this. Let's see. Okay, here we are. And let's click on Options and change the name of this table to Original. Make sure it's INNODB. And so here we are. And this is what it looks like. Am I recording? Yes, I am. And so let's make sure that the structure is fine. Campus, I don't know, we might decide to spell out a campus or something. I don't know. Defined, it cannot be null. It cannot be null. And cuisine, we might want to have that be a bigger name. Cannot be null. Gotta say it's defined as something then. Blank character. And the place can be, well, that should probably be bigger. Let's make it 50. All right, so now we have campus, cuisine, and place. I'm gonna, let's see, what does this look like? I guess I will, might as well make, well, I'm gonna make some copies right now. So let me go operations. I'm gonna create a campus cuisine. I'm going to call it camp quiz. I'm just going to do the structure. Camp quiz. I'm going to create a camp place. Camp place. Structure only. And I'm going to create a cuisine place. Okay, so that's all three combinations of two. And so I've got these three empty tables. Let's populate those tables. Let me go back to original, and I'm going to do select distinct campus, comma cuisine, and that's going to look like that. Campus cuisine, and all right. Okay. Really, I wouldn't need campus cuisine. I would need campus place. Let's see. If I wanted to reduce it to BCNF, two tables, and I want to preserve, and I want to be able to um, eliminate the possibility of the anomaly of a place being assigned more than one cuisine. I could have a place. I could have the cuisine place. Let's see, what does this look like? Okay, so each place has one cuisine distinct. Each place is assigned one cuisine. Okay, so that would be, so let's put that into insert into cuisine place this. Oh, it's because I forgot to cuisine. Okay, cuisine place. All right. Campus cuisine should only have campus and cuisine. And let me drop the place, and actually campus. Okay, let's leave campus cuisine aside for the moment, because really we only need place cuisine, and that is, we want place to to determine cuisine and leave campus out of it because it can be more than one campus. And we would make place the primary key. Place is the primary key. Okay, so we have that, and what I'm saying is that if we this, oh, I just inserted, I just populated cuisine place. There we go. So we have all these places, and this place is the primary key. We have all these places, and the place determines the cuisine. Okay, so this place determines the cuisine. All right, and so we have that, and then we can, if we have campus place, let's populate campus place, and let's get rid of this. Get rid of cuisine, and we have campus place, and both of those together would need to be the primary key. Actually, place. No, because it's going to be more than one campus. Place can be more than one campus. A campus is going to have more than one place, and a place can be at more than one campus. So yes, they both have to be the primary key. And so to populate that would be something similar to this, but we're talking about campus place. Campus place, distinct campus place. Okay. All right. So now we've got campus place, and we have cuisine place. And if we take the natural join, select asterisk from campus place. Let's do campus place, natural join, cuisine place. We just take that and you see where we're leaving out campus cuisine. This is campus place and cuisine place. If we take the natural join of those, we get our original table back. So in theory, plate campus, like we can make this look like campus. If it looks better this way, campus, cuisine, place. We have campus, cuisine, and place, and then we also we enforce that a place cannot be more than one cuisine because we have this place cuisine table here, and the place cuisine table, it's actually cuisine place. Let's see, let me save this for a moment. The cuisine place table looks like this, and the primary key is place, and so place determines cuisine. So it actually it might look better if it's place cuisine. That might look better since we like to see the primary key on the left. But anyway, but the problem with just having campus place and place cuisine is that we now can no longer enforce a single cuisine at a campus. And that was the primary reason why we did this in the first place. Well, I guess we could use original because campus and cuisine are the primary, campus cuisine is the primary key, and you can't put more than one cuisine at a campus using this table. You can't, if we use place cuisine, we cannot put a place as more than one cuisine. But if we use those two tables, of course, we have the redundancy of having place cuisine, you know, in the same uh, in two different places. So if a cuisine updated or something, then that wouldn't work. Well, it looks like we still need a camp cuisine table, which stores the fact that this campus already has a cuisine of that type. Okay, so to produce this table, we would do something like select campus cuisine from um, from original, distinct. Well, it'll be distinct anyway because there's only going to be one. That's the primary key. I don't even need to, so I don't need to do that. But I do want to do insert into that. Okay. Camp cuisine. Okay, go. Boom. Now in camp cuisine, I've got the fact that UHM has a burger place, and you can go to the here and see all the UHM places. If you want to know what kind of which place is what, you have to go to cuisine place. So to so in building back up the table here, we can use natural join all three of them together. And that means that the fact that you have a UHM burgers, for example, needs to be in there if you also natural join in this table. So something like, you know, natural join uh, campus place, natural join uh, cuisine place, and this gives you the original table back. And they all have to be there. All the records have to be there. So this brings us back. This gives us back the original. So let's make our view. Create view, and we're going to name it view underscore original, and it's going to be that. All right. So now we've got a view here. And we can confirm that original view, or view original, natural, join original, also gives us back exactly the same thing. All right, this now is a prime candidate um, for uh, for a stored procedure because to be able to use all three of these tables to enforce the two rules that we want to enforce here, which are that uh, that a campus can only have one favorite kind of each cuisine, and a place can only be of one type of cuisine. If we want to enforce those two rules, then we can use a structure like this. And the first thing we do is we check to see if the campus already, say we're inserting, we check to see if the campus already has a cuisine of that type. And then if it doesn't, then it goes and tries to insert the place, the cuisine type of the place into the cuisine place table. And it's either going to be able to insert it, or it's going to be in there already, or you're going to try to insert it and you will be wanting to change the cuisine of the place. So that will catch what assigning a cuisine, assigning a place two different cuisines. That'll take care of that. Also, the place may already be in there. That's okay. In this case, that's okay. You for campus cuisine, the entry cannot be in there. But if it goes into campus cuisine, okay, and it goes into cuisine place, okay, then it can be inserted into campus place, no problem. All right, so that would be for inserting, and then for deleting, it'd be a similar type of procedure that you'd want to figure out the sequence of the operations, and so in fact we're going to use this little database here for a stored procedure assignment later on. But in the meantime, I think I've now pretty much. Oh, I forgot about the foreign keys. There's foreign keys we got to hook up here. Let's do that. Let's see. So you don't want to insert a campus place until you've inserted the kind of cuisine. So if we go to campus place, uh, yeah, you can't insert a campus place without a cuisine place. So we want to make sure that in campus in cuisine in camp place, we want to make a column place in this database is a foreign key into cuisine place. All right, I think that will take care of that. We can have a campus cuisine in there without um, without a we can put that in there, and it's not gonna. Should we be able to put a campus cuisine in there without a campus? No, I think. Well, see, I think this is enough enforcement for now. So anyway, don't forget that, and I think that's it. And so with these 5 videos and the addendum to video number 2, make sure you look at that. There was an addendum to the video for question number 2. This should help you complete the assignment. All right? Thanks for watching.